Yo, if you don't shoot something, bro. Ah, dang.
Six niggas straight cooked them motherfucker.
The lagoon, the deep blue. Y'all ever seen the? Oh shit. The Blue Lagoon.
D-Money. Spending the next couple of nights out here on the transparent kayak. What the hell? Did you hear that? It's actually thinking. There's one rule in this challenge. I cannot leave the kayak. So throughout the night, I'm going to be sleeping in here. I'm going to try and catch something and cook it up. No way.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I always wanted. I did that one time. Let me tell you this story, right? Me and my mans was in Florida, and they had this clear water. It was like a clear kayak hike. It was at like 6 o'clock at night, 8 o'clock at night. You were supposed to go at nighttime, and the algae or some crazy shit was supposed to light up with the moonlight or something. I don't know what was going on. All I know is me and my mans was on this kayak, bro. Yo, this was the worst experience of my life. We're out there with another group. It's like 4 other kayak people, 5 other people. Yo, they had us kayaking at 8 o'clock at night in like shark infested water, bro. Oh, nah, I was not with it. I ain't gonna lie. We was bullshitting that whole time. We stopped, yo, and everybody got like 100 yards in front of us. Yo, we straight rolled a blunt up and sparked that bitch, bro. We was like, they said, what are y'all doing? They said, we'll catch up with y'all. My arms hurt. Nah, I'll never forget that. We had to start kayaking with the blunt because we had to catch back up to them because they was waiting for us. We tried to like, it was a boat. There was another kayak with 2 other girls in it, and we kept fucking with their kayak. Yo, it was bad, bro. That shit was lit. I shouldn't have said that. Fuck it.
Honestly, guys, anything wild can happen. Happy birthday, dear Jacko. And then tonight, I am planning to sleep in this. We've got lights, we've got some seriously good stuff coming, so do not go anywhere. Get ready for tonight, because it could be the best night of my life. The boys are going to get the big boat. I'm heading out.
I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait to do some shit like this.
Hey, got the boys! Hey! Sammy, they just... Hey! Boys, have swapped the titty out for the big boy. Oh! Hey!
No, y'all geeking. I don't like water.
It's actually thinking. As I was saying, I caught up with the boys.
It was actually sinking.
Yeah, they're gonna hop in and join me. Because it is about 20 to 25 meters we'll be dropping. Catch my breath because we almost lost it just then. I see you guys in there. Hey, man.
What is that, a spearfish? Spear gun?
Swallowed so much water.
Bro, I did not know that's how big a spear gun is. Holy hell. I thought them bitches was wasting. That's not no fuck. That looked like a fucking crossbow. Oh, what the hell kind of fish is that? Are they baby barracudas? No. That's hella of them. I wouldn't be agile with that. Ooh, I heard stingrays taste good. They got like I heard they got like a buttery fat like texture to them. You ain't hitting that. You ain't hitting that. Did he just hit that? What do you think that'd do against a shark? Not like a giant shark, like something like that. That's definitely a reef shark.
Thank you. I missed the Big Mac. Gonna have to go again a little bit later on. Have you missed anything yet? Oh, I've missed plenty. Oh, Sam! That works so good. How's my butt look? That looks sexy.
Yeah.
We'll go for a shallow
That's funny
dive
as
in a bit,
fuck.
maybe try to get some crayfish. There's a little baby whale here. Oh, there's the big mum in the background. Look, it's coming right up. Oi, it's coming right up to us. This little baby whale is just dancing around the thing. Hello, my name's Brody. It's lovely to meet. What the hell? Oh, what the hell? Oi, oi, holy shit, holy shit. Oh, what the hell? Ah, did you see that? It went straight up to me.
That shit. Yo, I thought it was on his back, like carrying the kayak.
My heart is going on
So you just paddling for 36 hours?
Now, boys should be meeting up with me very soon. I'm always at the spot.
Damn, yo's dog jump.
Oh, this is gonna be hard. What? It's gonna work.
I ain't gonna lie, that's why I hate kayaking, because you be hitting the side of the... Ooh, what the hell is that? Is that another whale? That's...
Hi, my name's Brody. Lovely to meet you.
Keep your distance. COVID, 6 feet. 6 feet distance. That got to be awesome, bro. Caught a fish?
Oh, I got
nice.
off. It's under the kayak. Looks like the boys are suiting up in the distance. They're just going to catch up with them, grab all my dive gear, hop in the water, and fingers crossed. There goes Sammy. I can see him.
I'm confusing what I'm looking for in these rocks. Yo, shoot one of them big ass fish. Yeah, that, yo. Yeah. That's awesome. Nah, that is fucking awesome. Good shit.
Oh, that's so cool. He just swam out of.
Holy fuck, yo, did you think that fish was that big?
Yeah. I think we got a whale on us. Oh! Whoa, it's right there! Hello! Hello! Oh! Oh, that was the tail! Woo! Righto, that sun is just on its way down, and we actually have some lights to put on the outside of this. I think these boys want to go check that one shoal before sunset. Yeah, a few K away. Alright, so I'm going to head towards the coast, and we'll meet back up. They literally just booted off, and they're too far gone. There's a big ball of that, what's that? What is that? I don't have a radio, don't have a phone, I don't have a water bottle. Whoa, this is a big one. I can't get in contact with them. Not the best place to be, that was a bit of a stuffer.
We're gonna go find Brody.
Bring me the horizon, yo ho, yo ho. There's something floating on the surface, just on the horizon up here. You guys see that? I'm not even sure what it is yet. We'll get a little bit closer.
Right.
Oh, it's alive! Oh, I'm so sorry, mate. What's going on? Oh no, I think it's got air in its shell. He's actually literally swimming to me now. He's trying to swim. I don't think I've ever told anyone my true plan in all this. Eventually, I want to be able to create a place where I personally can fund vets, facilities all around Australia and around the world where there is a place that everyone knows that they can bring animals to, where they're going to get treated properly. Because for me, growing up in a small town, sometimes that just isn't there. It's on and off. It comes and goes. It's one of my biggest dreams and goals moving forward. Easy. That turtle took a drop about 5 minutes ago and has not surfaced. It's just about dark. There's not much light left. I don't know where the boys are, so I'm getting a little bit nervous too. So I'm going to turn the lights on and I'll be a big beacon, I think. I actually can't see it. I think. Oh. Oh my god, it's so bright. It's working. This is not part of the plan, floating out here in pitch darkness, literally alone. Did you hear that?
We can just see this white line in the distance. We think it's Brody. Right.
Oh, the little tiny one?
It's getting closer. Yeah, I think we found him. All right, let's go this side. Come on.
I can hear, but I can see something.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'd be sick as a bitch if that was my, like, if that's my actual peoples, or if that's just like a group of other people that are doing a video also that we just like collided. I ain't tripping. But if like, yo, I brought y'all out here, bro, and y'all dip with me like that, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all.
There's something around me. Something around me. I want a hoodie, and I really want to see what it's going to look like in the drone, but let's film it. Oh. You want one of these YBS hoodies, youngbloods.co. We've never ever done this before. We don't know what this is going to look like at night, and I've never seen anything like this done on the internet, on YouTube before, so let's roll it. I can't see a thing.
Damn, that's what it looks like. You can't see shit but within 5 feet from you. And he's on a water with a battery. Fuck that. Nobody's ever done what? Kayak in the ocean with a light kayak? Damn, what did I say? Nobody's ever.
It's looking pretty tasty.
Quick building job setting, boy.
Oh, sucks to be in.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
That's it.
Happy birthday, dear Jacko.
He's not on that kayak. I don't see him.
So excited about this. Well, I'm just gonna have a quick bite. Oh, cheers, man. Happy birthday.
Oh, he can't eat shit. My man's
all off on the boat. The boys have finally gone to bed, and I'm gonna follow suit. I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning.
Oh, hell no.
Oh man. Good bloody morning, everyone. We're back in adventure mode. The boys are up, and we're into it. The day's early. And I need to get myself some sort of feed because I am starving. It's legit raining right now.
How you going, man?
It's gonna fill up. It's gonna sink. That was perfect.
Bam. What? You don't play with your prey. So screw me. hell was I doing? Yo, if you don't shoot something, bro. Ah, dang. That's orange. That's tough. Throwing that bitch straight in my boot.
Look at that! Yes! Oh. A beautiful coral trout, and it's got something in his gob there. I'll pull that out and give you guys a look. Yeah. I'm stoked. Let's get straight into this cook. Little cuts up towards the front. That's what I love about spearfishing. You can be selective, sustainable. You kind of know what you're going to get all the way to the end. Beautiful. Might have to cut through a few pin bones here. You beauty. A few more cuts. Beautiful slab of coral trout. The moment I've been waiting for. Come on. Whoop. We got fire, baby, on the transparent kayak. You guys can smell this. There it is. The moment of truth. Oh man.
Is it me or did that shit not look cooked?
That is so bloody good. I've been on this transparent kayak for over 30 hours straight now. That tastes bloody beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys want to.
Catching cooking a volcano. I ain't gonna lie, catching cooking a volcano sounds hard as a bitch. But let me know if you guys would stay in a kayak for 36 hours. I do 48, make it 2 days. Oh, bye.
Six naked straight cooked them motherfucker.